Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Adaptive ANC and how to enable the Adaptive ANC for your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95 headphones. This feature is only available in the application, which is called the BANG OLUFSEN. Here in this application we have to find, as you can see, scroll down and find this option called Adaptive ANC. It's defaultly enabled when the ANC is enabled, but as you can see, you can either disable it. Oh goodness, wait a moment. You can either disable this option or enable it back again using just a simple tap. And what it does, it adjusts ANC up to our volume level, decibel volume level around us. So if you are only, for example, in some very noisy building, the ANC will work harder, and if you are, for example, in the airport, it will work very harder than the usual. But if you are in some quiet place, like for example bookshop or some bus, it will work very lighter than the airport. That's it. I hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.